Okay guys, welcome back, and today we will have to start our new subject, that is taxation, UK tax, and this is for June 2025 to March 2026, right? In this chapter we'll discuss the scope of the syllabus, purpose of taxes, relevant taxes. Then we will discuss the taxability of income and gain and transfer, income tax, capital gain tax, inheritance tax, incorporation, VAT. Okay. Then we'll discuss about sources of tax law like statute, case law, HMRC, statement concession. Then taxable period and tax status, and then UK tax administration. Right. So. Here we have a chapter number 1, and today we are gonna to discuss taxation in the UK, and this is the UK tax system, chapter number 1. So in this chapter, the first thing we will look at is the purpose of taxation and the modern economy. So you must know why tax exists, because that is the foundation of everything else. And now we will have discussed one by one the purpose of taxation. The first one is economic roles. So first purpose is economic roles. Basically, taxes have two big economic jobs. Okay. And the first one is funding government expenditure. So, and the second one is macroeconomic management. So, one is funding government expenditure. That means that taxes paid by schools, hospital, defenses, defense purpose of police. All the services we use every day. For example, in the UK, income tax directly fund the NHS. Okay. The second one is macroeconomic management, which means that using taxes to control demand and stability or stabilize the economy. For example, if the government want people to spend more during a recession, so they might cut VAT, and that makes goods cheaper and boost spending. So what we have understand about this one, the economic roles, that economic role is basically the government wallet plus economic, you may say economic steering wheel. So two things we have discussed in economic roles. Now let's move on to the social objective. This is the second purpose. So social objective, which is, taxes also serve social objectives. They redistribute wealth, mean rich people pay more, poor people get support. So that reduce inequality. And progressive tax reduce inequality because higher earner pay more income tax. So this is one of the point and the social objective. Then the second one is encourage good behavior, which means that saving for pension, this is a good behavior. Donating to charity, this is also a good behavior. Starting businesses, all these are good behavior, and the government encourage these good behavior in the form of reward with the tax relief. So if you see here, saving and pension tax incentive, a pension contribution get tax relief, charitable donation get gift aid. For example, donating 100 euro, a pound, then charity get extra 25 phone from this HMRC, right? So this is all about encouragement. If you are doing good behavior, from the perspective of the tax, then definitely government will reward you. And then after that, you will have the other social objective, that is discourage harmful behavior. So as the government is also encouraging, then they also discouraging the harmful behavior. For example, the government usually discourage smoking, drinking, and driving too much. So all tax heavily with excise duties and fuel taxes. So this means that if you are doing bad, if you are using motoring too much, then definitely you'll consume more fuel, and this will harm the environment, and that is why they are tax heavily. Higher petrol tax discourages excessive driving. So if the government want to discourage excessive driving, then they tax petrol. Also, taxes on the smoking, drinking, so excise duty on cigarette and alcohol. So these are the discourage steps toward the harmful behavior. Then what we have understand about social objective, that socially tax is like carrot and stick, reward good habits and punishes bad ones. So this is all about the social objective. Then we have the purpose number 3, environmental purpose. Environmental purpose, and this is the third one. So we have got environmental purpose, definitely this one. This is your environmental purpose. So this means that these are green taxes designed to protect the environment. If you pollute, you pay more. If you go green, you save. So example include the climate change levy, landfill taxes, and company car taxes. So think of these as eco taxes. These are just eco taxes. If you are the polluter, definitely you will have to pay. So this is the strategy of the government, and they protect that you may say like reward, encourage the people who reduce the carbon emission to the environment. So climate change, we have discussed this. Then after that, we have a political decision. This is the fourth one, and taxes are also about political decision. And we have tax revenue level and tax base versus tax rate. So taxes are also about political decision. Government decide how much tax to collect and from where. So modern trend is broad base, lower rates. For example, VAT is applied widely, but it moderate rate. So politics, decide the balance between the government needs and private freedom. In simple word, you say that taxes reflect politics. Taxes reflect politics. So who pay and how much and why? Okay, so political choice balancing government need was private sector freedom, and then broad base plus low rate is a modern trend where it applied widely, but at moderated rate. Okay, and at the last we have types of taxes. So we have here the 4 types of taxes. The first one, you will have a direct tax, then you will have indirect tax, then capital tax, and then revenue tax. So by direct tax, we means that taxes on income, definitely, taxes on the capital gains and transfer. So on income and capital, like income taxes, corporation taxes, and we call that an inherited tax, IHT. Fine. Then you have indirect taxes, which means that taxes on spending, like VAT, value added tax, and excise duties. So these are the taxes that are on spending. Then you will have a capital tax on asset on. So on asset on, like property tax and inheritance tax. And then you have revenue tax, which means income and profit related tax. So taxes on profit and income like corporation tax. So these are the different types of taxes. So what we have understand that about the types of taxes, that direct tax we mean that on and on. Indirect tax means spend capital. By capital tax we mean on asset, and revenue tax on profit. Okay, so here we have a memory aid. The first one is the purpose number one, economic, and this one is fund government plus manage economy. Social, we have discussed redistribute wealth, encourage good and discourage bad. We have also discussed the third one, environmental. So green taxes for sustainability. Then political decide revenue balance base was rate, and the types direct, indirect, and capital and revenue. So overall, taxes are not just about collecting money. They fund services, shape society, protect the environment, and reflect politics, and comment different types. So basically, taxes are the rules of game. They decide who pays, how much, and why. So we have just did with the chapter number one, topic number one, purpose of taxation in the modern economy. And the next lecture, we will discuss about the income tax and a very detailed. Fine. So this is all about the purpose of taxation in the modern economy. Thank you for